Hi everyone, I am Krishna. Welcome to CloudOps Boss. Today I will explain to the Terraform provisioning AKS cluster using to the Terraform, uh, using to including the architecture, workflow, complete Terraform code. AKS is a Azure Managing Kubernetes Services. AKS is a Azure Managing Kubernetes Services. Terraform used infrastructure as a code to provision AKS resource repeatably and automated way. That's why we are using to the Terraform this thing and architecture Terraform CLI, Azure Resource Group, virtual networking, and AKS clusters. It is a managing control panel and a node model and VM scale set are there. As we Terraform workflow like init, plan, apply, destroy are there. It is the everything. It will be helping to the flow of this one. And project architecture just we have created to the AKS Terraform and provide TRF and main.tf variability output this thing one. Before going to the uh, AKS provisioning, it will pre-requesting required. Azure subscription is required and Terraform 1.3 version or whatever you can version you can using to the and Azure CLI and kubectl need to install. Once it is done, it will be login to the Azure login agent login and set to the subscriptions. I will explain to the Terraform code in this manner like providers variable dot and main.tf file that will be going to the in our code level deployment process connecting to the AKS. This is the main thing Azure resource creations like what we need to create Azure resource group, virtual networking, AKS clusters, managing controller, VM scale, load balancer, managed identity, networking security groups. That would be helping to the all things once you are deploying. Now I will be go there to showing to the code. Here we have a uh, things are there main.tf file, output.tf file, provider.tf file, then variable.tf file. Just I can say clear already. Now just simply you can say Terraform init. Once we know, right, once the Terraform init, it will be initializing to the backend and creating to the Terraform file. This is successfully initializing. Next, Terraform plan. It will be showing simulatives. It is not actually it is not deploying to the application. Just how many resource it will be created. Everything we can see the in console. Let's see. Wait here. Terraform plan is going on. Then uh, here we have seen added to zero changes, destroy zero. Then we can go for the Terraform apply. It's a main uh, deployment provisioning to the things. Once it is doing, it will be create a refreshing to the Terraform file. Then would be we'll come back to the these things. It is running. We have seen right here in this file. We have seen here we have seen the thing Terraform. It will loading. Here we have seen we did not any uh, not at provision. It is going on. Just it is asking to the permission. Just we can type it S. Here main thing we will be have a one main.tf file provider and variable and tf form dot var file. It will be input passing dynamically. Yeah, it is started to the creating to the Azure resource group. Once it is deploying process, it will be showing to the um, will can see the in this resource group manager in that resource is created or not once it is there. Meanwhile, yeah, it is started to creating a AKS resource group that will be processing. We'll see. Yeah, still it is going to the creating. Before going, we need to check the few things in this in main thing. You'll see. here what we want to require, we need to install to the Terraform, Azure CLI. Azure CLI need to install Azure CLI. That would we have or not, we can check it. Like we can open to the PowerShell, uh, PowerShell scripting. Here we have seen, if you not install, if you install, just you can see the aged version. Then we can see the aged versions. Yeah, here is the Azure CLI version is this one, and Azure Core 2.8 and Azure CLI Trinity 1.1. Then kubectl. Kubectl also we need to install. If you not install, we need to install. This is a prerequisite. Kubectl client version. It's C. Okay. We need to check the exactly what how we can check kubectl kubectl client show version. Yeah, we can check it. How to check the kubectl version? If you don't know how to in Windows, just you can see version. We need to check it here. Pass it. Kubectl version. Yes, I think I've typed it wrong way. Kubectl version client. Yeah, see, this is the cube version is the display here. Now we can check it to the it is completed or not. We can go here. Yeah, still it is going to creating. Then we can see here AKS is still going creation, still creating to the AKS cluster. Yeah, now we have seen MCA, MC AKS resource group. This is we can open dependencies are there like resource manager based upon this managed. Now we can see, now we can see the mm, inside essential. We have a load balancer, virtual networking with managed identity, network security, public IP is created, and another one, our main thing is the AKS cluster. It's still going on. Yes, it's still going on. Now I can see, yeah, still creating AKS clusters. Once it is AK clusters, I will show you how to, yeah, now it's successfully completed, added 2 and 0 changes, 0 destroy. Now I can open the resource group inside AKS, then we'll open the AKS, AKS Azure Kubernetes Service. Now I will show you how to connecting to the I mean we have seen right here connecting. Just it is show once you are clicking here Cloud Cell, Azure CLI, yeah, prerequisite is Azure installing to the Azure CLI, installing to the Kubernetes. If you have, not required. If you don't have, you need to install into the Azure CLI and kubectl. Why? Because here run the following commands. Log into the here. Just I can copy this one, or if you simply aged login, it will asking to the multi authentications. Yeah, it's asking to the multi authentication. Just click it here. Yes, retrieving the content and a subscription for the selections. Yes, it is done. Here what you are asking, the default is marked with the stars. Default is a default directory. Just I can type it to the our subscription ID this one, and default subscription. Just I can make mention, type it one and entered. It is connected. If your problem, please, now it is there. Now it is showing. Then we can connect to the this subscription. What I want agent account set subscription ID. We can copy and paste it here. Just clear the screen. Then copy this one, connected. Yes, connected. Now we can see the download the cluster credential. Just you can copy, then enter it. We are downloading to the AKS cluster details. AZ, AKS, get credential, resource group, and this one. Our the current text is the here we can see users Linux. You can go and check the users. It will be user uh, Lenovo. Then you can see .cube. .cube is there or not? Yeah, here you can see here. Yes, cashew. Inside we have a created to the configuration file. See, yeah, config file is there. We can open that one. We'll be able to see. Now we can check it. It is connected or not. We can type it. Uh, we have already there here. We can go here. Just we can type it. Yeah, if you want to see how many resources are there, you can see, you can type it to the here kubectl get deployment all namespace. How many namespace? Default all namespaces will be there. If you want to nodes kubectl get nodes, what node it is running? Yes, this is our kubectl VM node. It will running that one. Yeah, that's it. Our AKS Azure Kubernetes deployment successfully done through Terraform. If you thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe, share, comments, click on bell icon. Thank you. Thank you very much.